My first attempt of spray painting it was not the best with the spray gun. I had a lot of drips, and so I'm gonna have to sand it again and repaint.
I'm Luis Neto. This is my voyage from Refugee to refitting a sailboat. I'm a barber at sea, cutting through the waves. Yacht transformation, my personal challenge. If I can do it, so you can. That hole is too big, so I'm gonna have to pull filler twice. I'll have to let this one dry first and then apply a second time. Second one. Hi fellow boat enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting project in store for you. We are going to tackle the heating system of this beautiful boat and give it a much needed upgrade. First things first, we are replacing those old and damaged pipes. We want to ensure the heat flows smoothly and efficiently through the boat to prevent any heat loss. We are also going to insulate these pipes using top quality insulation material. This will help keep me warm and cozy during those chill nights on the water. I will remove the voltage sensitive relay module, the VSR, because I'll be working with the heat gun to remove the varnish here and then sand it very lightly. Because of the cables I need to be very careful, so I'm just gonna remove it and leave it here for a while I'm working in this area, and then once I'm finished I'll just put it back. Okay, let's go to work. Alright, so I'll just lay this here. Safer there. Now I can easily work with a hot gun. Safety first, so let me wear those gloves. This is the previous pipe of Webasto heater. As you can see, is all falling apart, very old. I've replaced that with this new pipe, 60 millimeters, is also better quality. I have also had this insulation, and I have also added this insulation, it's Webasto insulation. So it's something like this inside. However, I'm adding more insulation of aluminum tape. So I will be insulating the whole pipe on top of all this. I will have one outlet here and another outlet running all the way back near to the rebirth. That's the other outlet. Jesus, carrying a sponge that difficult. Awkward position, awkward places, makes the job very difficult. But finally managed to make the hole for the heater to run through. Hopefully it can go through this now. So I'm just gonna over clean this part and then run the pipe. Here is the pipe, all insulated, a bit overkilled. So this is the part that is going to connect with the heater. All connected. We do a test later. Next up, we have some wood restoration to do. We will sand and oil the deck to bring back its natural beauty and protect it from the elements. I'm adding this under the saw just to give me a little bit of a height so that it don't cut too low, so because I would rather sand it a little bit than if it goes too low. I did apply this tape before I put this because I don't want to mess too much with the wood, otherwise I'm gonna have a lot to sand. Companionway and cockpit sanded, prepared for oil and paint. I'll use international wood skin on all woodwork, and on the cockpit I'll be painting with the Oyster White International Top Black Plus. After applying a generous coat of high quality oil, our deck will look stunning and stay protected for years to come. I'll have to sand all this properly, and I'll put some non-skid by International. Now let's move to the cockpit storage. We will fix any broken or loose parts, ensuring that everything is securely in place. To give it a fresh look, we will paint the cockpit sides and floor with special anti-slippery paint. I will be fixing this. It's supposed to be like that. Mix some epoxy with the hardener. I'll glue that with the epoxy. Getting ready to paint the cockpit. I'll be spray painting, so I had to put this cover to minimize windage. And this is what I will be painting today, the whole sides. Safety first, especially when things get a little rough out. I'll be doing different type of paint here, anti-slippery. Lastly, we will pay some attention to the boat's hull. We will apply a high-quality anti-fouling coating called copper coat. This will protect the hull from marine growth and keep it sailing smoothly. And there you have it, folks, a completely heating system replacement, wood restoration and hull refurbishment. This boat is almost ready for many more adventures out on the water. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to our channel for more exciting boat renovation projects. Until up next, happy sailing.